Hello friends, welcome to Sustain Agro, where we teach you new, indigenous and natural farming methods that will fill your home with greenery and make your pockets smile. Today we'll talk about a fruit that makes everyone happy, strawberries. And most importantly, you can easily grow them on your balcony, terrace. So let's find out how to plant strawberries on your balcony, what soil is needed, how much water to give, and when will you start getting sweet fruits. Strawberries are a cool weather crop. The best time to plant them is from October to February. In India, you can start with these varieties: Chandler, Sweet Charlie, or Winter Dawn. These are perfect for balcony cultivation. Now let's talk about pots or containers. Strawberry roots don't go very deep, so a pot 8 to 10 inches deep and 12 inches wide is sufficient. Just remember, there must be drainage holes in the bottom to prevent water from stagnating. You can also use grow bags. They're lightweight and inexpensive. Plant only 1 or 2 plants in each pot, so they have room to spread and produce good fruit. Now comes the heart of the farming: soil. Strawberries need light, fertile, and well-draining soil. So let's create the perfect mixture. 40% garden soil, 30% cow dung manure or compost, 20% sand or cocoa peat, 10% vermicompost. Add neem cake powder on top to prevent pests. After mixing the soil, sprinkle some water lightly and let it sit for a day to activate all the ingredients. Strawberries love sunlight. Ensure plants receive 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. In very strong sunlight, provide light shade during the afternoon. If your balcony receives limited sunlight, you can also install LED grow lights. Now let's get to the real work: planting. Planting strawberries from seed is a little more difficult, so start with runners or saplings. You can find these at a nursery or online. When planting a plant in a pot, keep these in mind. The roots should be fully submerged in the soil, but the stem should remain above the surface. Water lightly after planting. Strawberries like moisture, but not wetness. This means the soil should be moist, not stagnant. Water lightly every day in summer, once every 2 days in winter. Remember, always water the roots, not the leaves. Otherwise, fungal infections can occur. Now, let's talk about nutrition: fertilizer. Apply vermicompost or cow urine solution once every 15 days. When the plants begin to flower, increase the potassium and phosphorus. You can apply homemade banana peel solution or panchagavya solution. This makes the fruits sweeter and juicier. 8 flowers and fruits. Flowers begin to appear about 2 months after planting and 20-25 days after flowering. Small strawberry-like fruits begin to appear. When the fruits begin to turn red, pluck them gently. Over-ripening can cause them to spoil. Care and protection. To maintain the plant's health, remember a few simple things. Keep trimming dead leaves. Spray neem oil every 15 days. When the fruits appear, spread dry grass or straw underneath to prevent the fruits from being damaged by the soil. Remove small runners from old plants every year and plant new ones. Protect plants from excessive watering during the rainy season. If there's too much sun, install a white net or shade. So friends, there you have it. With a little hard work and the right information, you can grow sweet strawberries right on your balcony. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, which crop do you want to grow on your balcony?